How the hell are ya, Pickle Farmers Galactic Criminal here, back with some more Shadow of the Boob Raider. Yeah, so last time the big bad guy decided he was gonna murder a bunch of people in front of the town square. There's a lot of fucking cover here. I have a feeling I'm gonna have to fight something that's gonna come through that fucking door. How much you wanna bet? I'm gonna look around just a little bit first, see if I can get some health foraging going on. Yeah, look, all the fucking fronds and shit like that.
All full up. Can't carry anymore.
Hot up! Just say that. It's on the screen.
All full up. Can't carry anymore.
I know, I saw it on the screen. It says full. Stop talking. Okay, so I need to be getting up there. Okay. So, can't go that way. Going around this way. Ah, there we go. All the fucking way around!
Okay.
Well, how do I get in your hand? Oh, I see. Oh, I see! I'm not that dumb today. Well, for now. It's only a matter of time before the dumb comes through. Holy fuck! Get up there! Oh my god! Get up! Get up! Fucking mustache keeps going in my mouth. I need to trim it. So I gotta get to the other hand? Fuck off. Oh my god! So crazy! I just like instinctively now, I fucking just mash X when you can do a crazy jump like that.
That looks like my way in.
Holy fuck! Okay, what's that? Feather? Do I have to craft more bow? Arrows?
Laura, where are you?
The Emperor's tomb. I almost have what we need.
We'll be ready.
Oh boy. Are they gonna stop making her put her fucking hand on her head every time she talks on the radio? Stuff! And things! I don't need it! Oh, I can use some of that. Might be Molotov soon.
The last Emperor's tomb.
Oh!
The cult must have taken root after his death. Okay, the Eclipse and the Heron.
I bet you're gonna take that thing and
What am I missing?
fuck shit up. If it was a thing.
Wait, did Lopez leave this?
The heart of the serpent is in the cup.
The bad guys run on top of his mohawk.
In here!
Arrowed. Jump! You crazy bitch. That could have been an illusion and that thing was like 2 feet deep. Fucking shins through your forehead. Oh, you got.
No!
I figured that was coming. Not so
This is
soon,
Commander
though.
Rourke. We've got a lead on the box. Send a team for Croft.
Unarat.
What an asshole!
Give this to Edsley. He's the rightful heir. He must live by Titi. He's young, but strong. His spirit as noble as his blood.
Don't go. Keep talking to me.
The box. It will tempt you. Resist. We all create our destiny.
I can never resist the box.
I won't let you down.
Yes, you will. Run, bitch! They're coming to get you! Ah, I fucking knew it! Ooh, I knew it! Okay, I'm gonna wait a second. See exactly what everyone's gonna do here. Fuck you, dead person! Oh, shitty! Oh, it's fire! Oh, I'm dying! Holy fuck! Oh my god, you're so dead! Oh my god! You fucking serious with this right now? All cause I had to fucking get that guy. Someone just happened to be fucking looking. Damn it! Alright, well, let's not do that shit again. I mean, yeah, kill him, but get him in the fucking bushes. Holy crap, there's so many of them!
Manachkum Sigbaesh, Jadinkashtikon.
Oh my god! Go! Fucking dum-dum. Heal! Oh my god! Unfucking real. Just keep fucking moving.
Impossible. I can't carry anymore.
Oh, fuck you, you did. Oh my god, that's so dumb. Oh wow, I'm fucking... Fucking aiming in this is so fucking ridiculous. Oh my god. Oh fuck, I didn't see that guy. Oh, wow.
All full up. Can't carry anymore.
What'd you call me? Are there any more of these fucking pricks? I mean, the music suggests yes. Oh, why was that so stressful? Yeah, I'm not a big fan of the aiming. It's not very, maybe, I don't want to say like intuitive. I don't even know what I want to fucking say. All I know is I'm out of ammo! I still got the shotgun. Oh, tight space! Okay.
Jonah, where are you?
I'm down by the docks.
I see you.
Hey, just about ready to go.
On my way.
Look at that sweet, totally catch-on-fireable boat. We gonna do some whitewater rafting.
Where's Unuratu?
She's fucking
We were
dead.
attacked. She died fighting Trinity.
Oh no.
They didn't animate his face when he said that.
Where is my mother?
Nipple! Here he is.
Your mother.
She's fucking dead, kid.
She
Get
fought
over it.
hard.
But that's the leader's amulet.
It belongs to you now.
Every time she gets involved with other people's culture, she fucks everything up.
She was a warrior. If we cannot restore the sun,
I'll find the box. I won't let the cult of Kukulkan Khan get to it first.
begin the preparations for the burial chamber. Queen Unuratu will live on, within us. Uchu, assist them with the boat.
Within
We will
you?
prepare for battle. The rebellion must succeed.
You gonna
We'll
eat
be
her?
back with the box.
That guy's butt was out.
Take care. We will be ready when
And
you return.
his. You got a lot of purple shit on you, bud.
So what's next?
We'll head back to Kwakyaku, regroup and take it from there.
Hooray! Kwakyaku. Where the fuck that is. As long as it's no longer Paititi, I don't have to wear that stupid costume anymore. Gotta look at it the whole time.
All that for another riddle.
What did it say?
The heart of the serpent is in the cup, near the many stone faces.
Well, it's
Mount
better than nothing.
Rushmore.
I suppose. We need to find the box. And
Easter
find the
Island? Many stone faces? That would be cool.
What is that?
It's a bird. Fuck! Shit! Yeah. No. Doesn't work like that. Oh no! Uh-oh. Bleeding. Piranhas. Okay. I do nothing. That's kind of lame.
Jonah! Jonah!
Tis but a flesh wound.
Well, look what I found.
All great.
Don't move.
Don't try me.
Aw. I mean, I don't even get to QTE this. Just gotta watch. Oh! Jiu-jitsu, motherfucker! I am not involved in this at all. Yeah, jiu-jitsu. Eat shit, fucker. Let me mash the button to stab him. That was like that Saving Private Ryan moment. No, please, no! Edging that knife in there. I mean, it was cool. Why didn't I get to do that? Fucking bastard. That's why.
Anything? I'm still not 100%.
Find Jonah. Why? I don't want to find Jonah.
All clear.
Fucking guy. It's a heat score.
Come look at this. What's up, Chief?
Fucking looking nothing. Alright, that guy's going first. I'm fairly certain.
What would a magic box even look like?
Oh, I could tell you stories. Magic boxes. Oh, his path is fucking far.
Got
Should I
anything?
fucking wait here?
Damn it!
Okay, he might be coming back sooner than I thought. That means the other guy might too. Is that what that means?
Expecting some kind of glow or mystical humming?
When they're red like that they can see what I'm doing? Hup! Or they're just too far away to interact with.
This sector looks empty.
I don't know. Trying to be smart, saying words like sector. Give me some of
It's
that.
not around here.
Better be back in a few
Okay,
minutes.
last time, I think we looked over here.
Just get a little bit closer, dum-dum. Oh
I
no!
don't know. Does it matter? If we
Come
miss something the first time,
on!
we
Come
should look at
back!
everything again.
Why would you
Yeah, good
leave
point.
right when I wanted to kill you?
The river's higher or lower than it was?
Great!
Come on, man. Stop asking me to remember things. As soon as Operation Lone Wolf...
Stop
got
asking
called
me to
off last
remember
time, I
things.
completely
I'm
pushed
super
it from my
dumb.
mind.
Hey! Am I annoying you yet? I hope so! Because we got a little bit of waiting to do.
I have something to
I don't want to
report.
fuck
I'll
this up.
report it.
Oh my god, where are you going? Oh, that guy almost saw me!
I can't wait to finally see this box I've heard so much about.
I'll show you a box. I'll show you a box!
This couldn't wait till morning.
Couldn't this wait till morning? I lost a side, but I can get it back. I can get it back.
Got anything?
Stop asking.
Oh my god.
This sector looks empty.
I know exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna blow you up. Oh.
Magic box is not exactly what I thought I was signing up for.
How do I pick up my gun? Oh, fuck you! Oh, what? They wouldn't let me take my fucking gun out.
Anything? I'm still not 100% convinced the box even exists.
Come on, fucking hurry up with it.
All clear.
I'm mad.
Come look at this. What's up, Chief?
Fuck you, cocksucker.
Expecting some kind of glow or mystical humming?
I'll fucking show you a mystical hummer.
Okay, last time.
Yup, you're dead. Fuck you. Why can't I use my fucking weapons? Oh, I think they're all gone. Ah, you're so dead!
Gonna have to come out.
Yeah. That's probably... Fuck, this whole time I've been getting mad when it's the fact that
Outpost. Send another team to my
I got
position.
knocked the fuck out and they took all my shit. Oh, yo, come on over. Come on over, motherfucker. Yeah, you're dead. Fuck you. Die. Die. Alright. I'm not looting these guys? Is that what's happening here? Alright. I'm dumb. I fucking looted them when I stealthed them. They don't got any of my shit?
Forward team, why the fuck are you still looking for that box? You have hostiles in your area.
Well, Dr. Dominguez...
I don't give a damn about Dominguez. Find Lara Croft and kill her.
Hey, guess where she is? She's right here! Haha, so dead.
Find Lara Croft, how? We're spread out way too goddamn thin for that. This was a research operation.
Let's just spread out and make the best of it.
Yeah, stop fucking crying about it. A little baby. Yep. Baby wiener. Wiener, baby. Oh, come here.
Maybe she's over here.
Yeah, she's totally over here. Come and get some.
Where's...
Oh, I fucked that up. Oh my god, why would you do that? Oh my god, super dumb! Urgh! Oh, it's because I was impatient with that first fucking
Why the fuck
guy.
are you still looking for that box? You have hostiles in your area.
Well, Dr. Dominguez...
I don't give a damn about Dominguez. Find Lara Croft and kill her.
You're so dead! You're so dead, you're so
Find Lara
dead.
Croft, how? We're spread out way too goddamn
There
thin.
goes all my mud.
This was a research operation.
Let's just spread out and make the best of it. I'll cover that area, you stay here.
Maybe she's over here.
Nope, she's not. She's not over here at all. Oh shit, I see what's going on here. Fuck. Come on, turn around,
This thing with
dickhead.
Croft has to end.
Oh my god, go away! I didn't act fast enough, I don't think. Oh shit, that's right, I don't have my fucking bow. Okay. Oh man. I am unhappy!
Maybe she's over here.
Okay. I thought I saw what was happening there. I forgot I didn't have my bow. I was gonna string him up into the tree. You fakes you out with a turn.
This
Goes
thing
back.
with Croft has to end.
And he goes the other way again. And
First
then
Dominguez
he's
tells
super
us to look
dead!
at the box. Now Rourke tells us to look at the Croft. Who are we supposed to listen to?
Well,
Honestly, not
Rourke is
picking
a
up
military
any of these
leader,
guys'
and many of his
guns.
Decisions are getting people killed. So you better decide right now where your loyalties lie.
Are you fucking kidding me?
It's as simple as this. I need to know you have my back.
Command lost contact with Row Team.
Let's make sure it doesn't happen twice.
She's not getting past us.
She's 100% getting past you. By using one of these!
What the hell happened?
Fire! Fire! I'm gonna grab another one just in case. Ooh, need some of that. Huh! Climb, you big dum-dum! Okay, so let's see where we go. I don't care about what that is. The time it takes to do that animation is gonna be annoying. Higher! Ha! Oh, shit!
Report status.
I wish it was a little more realistic, so then she, like,
What's going on, Commander?
grappled that ledge, just slams into the mountain and goes, ah!
Clear, sir.
That would have been interesting.
This is Cardinal 2. I've got
Holy
more
fuck!
software into
I
Junior
did not
3.
mean to do that!
Rock slides took out the tertiary
yeah.
pumping platform. No fires. Fallen trees and completely block the access road to Kilo 2.
Fuck you, Mr. Helicopter. Hoyo! Campfire, yeah!
All
Okay.
flat. Can't carry anymore.
Well, that's okay because I can go here and do some
What the hell?
upgrading
What the hell am I supposed to do?
really quick.
Hunaratu's dead, shot in the back by Rourke. I don't have the box. Jonah. God.
Jonah!
If anything happens to him.
Oh no! Is that the one?
God
Yeah,
damn
that's the
it.
one. Oh, I can't upgrade my weapons because I don't have them. Okay, so I got 9. I'm just gonna spend a bunch here. Okay, I don't really care about that. Yeah. 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 I could use that. 3 left. Anal. Yeah, I don't really do any hunting. Yeah, that's good enough. Okay. Spend less fucking time doing that shit. Move on! Which way do I go? Which way do I
I
go?
don't have enough space for that.
Well,
Hello, Lara.
Who is this?
I've suspected you've been monitoring my communications since Mexico.
Rourke.
Commander Rourke. You've been listening to me. And now,
Fire!
I'm listening to you. Another foreshock. How's it feel, knowing you're responsible for all these cataclysms? All that suffering.
I know what I did.
The look on your face when Dominguez told you? But you just had to have that dagger, didn't you?
Yup. So much for them not doing the fucking radio thing anymore.
Croft is moving into your area.
No, I'm not.
Cross slipped right through the guys at the beach. It can't happen again.
We'd better do a sweep.
Oh, shit.
Anything interesting in that new shipment?
Thermal goggles, gentlemen. I'll take point.
And I got no weapons.
Where?
You ain't got shit. Well, that sucks.
False positive. Some animal.
So this motherfucker could see me in the bushes.
I'm never gonna get them working if you keep pestering me. What's the damn hurry all of a sudden?
Rourke said Croft's coming through here.
God damn it. All right, I'm hurrying.
Here we go.
Oh, fuck!
Those goggles picked up anything yet?
Small animals, nothing significant. I'm gonna make a full sweep of the area.
Yeah, I bet you are. Oh, no way! Do I just let them fucking off me?
Keep firing!
Yeah. Let him fucking kill me. God damn it. How the hell am I supposed to do this? Those guys with the helmets, are they... Like, are they heavies?
Where?
Or can I silent take down them? I kind of have to be able to, right?
Shit! False positive. Some animal.
I am an
Getting
animal.
those lights up or what?
I'm never gonna get them working if you keep pestering me. What's the damn hurry all of a sudden?
Rourke said Croft's coming through here.
God damn it. All right, I'm hurrying.
There's a second guy. There he is.
Go. Those
Fucking
goggles picked up
cocksucker.
anything yet?
Small animals, nothing significant.
I'm gonna wait.
I'm gonna
See
make
what
a
happens
full
right
sweep of the
here.
area.
Because this fucking idiot, yeah, comes this way, right? Fucking. Yeah, okay, I can off these guys. Good.
Let's see her deal with this.
Okay, so I need,
This time.
there's like distraction items. Over here.
I hope somebody can see something. I got nothing. You?
Same.
Ooh, I need a clearer fucking vantage point to use this.
That looks promising.
Bet she's over there.
Well, where the fuck did I put the thing?
When I find you, you're dead.
Look out!
Gotta find
Stir shit up a little bit.
Ah! That was
more eyes on this.
Copy that. Over there. Target right.
What's going on?
Ah, I thought I did a fucking...
You're just one person. What can you
Fucking horse shit. I thought I had fucking double takedown thing. Oh my god, can I just leave? Yes!
Damn it, people,
goggles.
Oh my god! That was too much for me, man.
Evening, Ralph.
Evening, Sam.
Ralph and
See
Sam.
anyone? If I did, I'd be shooting.
Names of some dead guys. Oh. I'm stressing out! Okay, so that fucking dum-dum can see through my vegetation. This guy
Looking
can't.
for something in the dark, and these ruins wasn't creepy enough.
I used to go hunting with my dad in conditions just like this. Except the ruins with creepy old trees.
Alright, got any pointers?
Nobody gives
No
a
matter how good
fuck
the crazy
about your
sting is,
dad.
you can't go without a mistake forever. All it takes is one tiny slip. It's all over.
Come on!
Here we go again.
One of you fuckers is gonna come this way, right? Oh good, he doesn't have a fucking thermal vision either. Yes! So fucking dead! Oh, I can get him real good right there. Then he's gotta come back. He only got like a 2-point path, I think. I can't believe she hasn't picked up a fucking gun off of one of these guys yet. Unbelievable. Unrealistic. Oh, that wasn't a good idea. Fuck!
Hold it! Start running! Hold on, my shoulder. We better investigate! Shit, gotta find her!
Fucking run! Oh my god! Can't believe I did it! Oh.
Laura? Are you okay? Was that the earthquake? I'm near an oil refinery. Everything's blowing up.
No, Jonah, get off this channel.
What?
They're listening.
Okay.
I'll find you.
Oil refinery. I'll go a little longer and see what happens here. Holy fuck, I will. Going down, down, down. Oh, it's so great. Is there any fucking... it doesn't look like there's anything in here. Stop walking slowly.
It's a recipe for a hallucinogen, sometimes used in war.
Poison arrows. I can make poison arrows now, I betcha.
This should help.
So one of those things like Assassin's Creed where you hit them and then they flip out?
If I use this on my arrows, it could be an advantage against Trinity.
No. Really?
All full up. Can't carry anymore.
That sounded like gorillas.
All full up. Can't carry anymore.
Oh, apparently I got full friggin' arrows.
Tau team, Croft is on a vector toward your position. I say again, Croft is coming to you.
Jesus Christ.
Say it again.
We'll get her, sir.
Shut
Show
your
me her
pie
close,
hole.
and your entire team is next in line for Deacon training. Rourke out.
You heard the man. Let's do this.
This is gonna be easy.
See what happens. Oh, that's what I thought. I should have gotten one of those guys up there. And then he dies from it? Jesus. Yeah! Fuck you, buddy. Maybe that was a good thing. So I got to stealth the fucking armored guy.
I don't have enough space for that.
Oh my god! I heard a dude go up! Big fucking dum-dum!
Maybe you guys come through here? I got some broken twigs.
Base camp's having trouble receiving me.
As soon as this is up, we'll use it to boost your signal. That should have worked. Why isn't it working?
Stop moving!
Croft will be here any minute.
All full up. Can't carry anymore. I don't have enough space for that. All
What,
full
the
up.
fucking Molotov that's right here?
I don't have enough space for that.
Okay. How the hell do I patch these together?
Like this! Oh my god, get the fuck down!
Get more light here.
Fuck him.
All full up. Can't carry anymore.
Jesus. Need to get to the bottom of this.
Sweeping clear. Let's move. On me. Eyes open. Ready to engage.
I don't have enough space for that.
On me. Hostile spotted.
No you didn't, no you didn't, no you didn't. You didn't see nothing, you didn't see nothing. Fuck.
You have any idea who we are?
Yeah, I know who you are, a fucking dead man. On loot. I'm stressing out! There's so much light this way.
Oh no! Don't worry.
Fucking serious?
Rifle up. Can't carry anymore.
Do not pay attention to the ominous glow.
That was close. Re-establish contact. Guns up. Ready to
Fuck you, no way! Oh no! Oh, that is so disheartening. Oh, fuck you!
Croft is on a vector toward your position. I say again, Croft is coming to you.
Jesus Christ.
Shh. We'll get her, sir.
Show me her corpse, and your entire team is next in line for deacon training. Rourke
You look
out.
like shit.
stay away.
Unfucking
Holy shit, what's going on?
Jesus.
That's a shitty checkpoint, man. Oh, that sucks so bad.
She's got no chance.
Base camp's having trouble receiving you.
As soon as this is up, we'll use it to boost your signal. That should have worked. Why isn't it working?
Where's that backup?
Drops over here any minute. Stay sharp.
I don't have enough space for that.
Oh, man.
Get more light here.
Don't mind me if I'm a little, quiet.
Can't carry anymore.
Oh shit, I better look around.
Move one, but stay visible.
I really want to focus so I don't fuck this up. I got a long way before that shit popped off. I'm just wondering if, like a time before, I'm able to go forward without necessarily fighting too many dudes. You know what I'm saying? If I can just get right past them. That would be awesome. You just making fucking little circles there, dum-dum? You gonna move or something? No, he's just gonna... Why not just fucking start shooting, idiot?
What is wrong?
Just kill him and get on with it! Oh my god!
Target acquired. Fly position.
Yep, there you go. Holy fucking shitballs, I can't believe I got past those dudes. Wait a minute, what the fuck? What the fuck is up with that? I just went through there. Assholes. Oh my god. Fuck me, man. Okay. I'm gonna stop it right there, actually, to be honest. I'm stressed the fuck out. I just got an autosave and I don't feel like fucking up anymore. So that was a really cool part, I think. There's a lot of really fun moments in there. The poison arrow being introduced, I'm getting a lot more familiar. I have been anyway through the last couple parts with certain controls and shit that I just kind of forgotten. I don't know. I'm having more fun. I was stressed out, but it is a lot more fun. So, until next time, have yourself a fantastic evening.